Mostly the people who are buying gemstones in the market today are buying fake gemstones with fake certificates. The most interesting fact is that mostly people buy gemstones, they get a certificate also, but they never try to understand from where that certificate has been issued. Just like when you take a degree, you are very serious as to from which university you are taking the degree from. Who is the certifying authority? That you should know whenever you are taking a certificate for anything. So when you are buying a precious stone, you should take it with the proper authentic certificate. If it is not properly authenticated, then the chances are that it will be a fake gemstone, means it will be a gemstone either a glass piece or it will be a gemstone which would have been heated, treated, color enhanced, or something would have been done to it to make it look more beautiful, transparent, and you will be very happy paying a good amount for it, while actually that gemstone is of a very low value. Whenever you buy a gemstone, be sure that it comes with this kind of certificate, not just a card. This is a proper certificate from IGI GTL, which is a Ministry of Commerce sponsored body, and it gives proper certification. Each and every piece has to be certified by this kind of certificate. It carries a great weight in the gem market. Otherwise, whatever you are buying is just fake. So, generally, the people who are buying rubies, they are buying these kind of rubies. These rubies are not original rubies, they are glass filled rubies. Means gemstones at a particular temperature, let's say around 3000 degree centigrade, become just like water, molten material. In that molten material, you can add anything, color, glass, or whatever. When it solidifies, you can cut it and it will look very good. So, but its certificate will not be like that. It will clearly tell you that it is a natural ruby, color enhanced. And if you see the comments section of the certificate, you will see it very clearly that it says that it is an enhanced ruby, heat treated, and there is glass filling in it. You read it properly, you will yourself understand that it is not a natural ruby. A natural ruby will come with this kind of certificate, and it will clearly indicate no indications of heating are observed. If the ruby is heated, it means it is not a proper ruby, it has been color enhanced, and it is not going to give any astrological effects. So whatever money you are putting into it, that is just pure waste. Similar is the case with yellow sapphires. Most of the yellow sapphires that you see in the market are very yellow, dark yellow, just like turmeric, this kind transparent, but they are not natural yellow sapphires. These are actually heated treated pieces of yellow sapphire. They look good, but actually they are very cheap, but they are sold for a good price to the customers who don't know about it. The certificate of this kind of sapphire will be like this. It will clearly indicate that it has been heat treated, it is color enhanced, and extra material, outside material has been added to it. That's why it is looking so yellow. Natural yellow sapphire will not look that yellow, and its certificate will be like this. It will clearly indicate no indications of heating or observed. So whenever you are buying a precious stone, be sure it comes with a proper certificate, a GST bill, so that you are sure that whatever you are buying is of proper quality and actually gives astrological results, not just a showpiece. Similar kind of activity is also done with blue sapphire. See this blue sapphire, very blue, transparent, good looking stone, but it is again a heated stone. It has been color enhanced, and outside material has been added to it to make it look this beautiful and transparent. its certificate will be like this. It will clearly indicate that all that has been done to this blue sapphire. It makes it look good, it makes it cosmetic, but it gives no astrological results. So wearing it is not going to give any results, so it is of no use. The proper blue sapphire will come with this kind of certificate. It will clearly indicate that no indications of heating are there and it is a natural sapphire. It should always come with this certificate, not just any card, and with a GST bill. Only then be sure that you are buying a proper gemstone and be sure that you will get a proper quality. If you are buying it from Gem Selections, you will get a proper quality, this kind of certificate, GST bill, so everything will be 100% authenticated. If you have any doubt, you can always visit our website www.khannagems.com. There all the details will be given and you can understand what is a proper gemstone which you should be wearing. It has to be a natural stone, non-heat treated, and it should come with a GST bill. These kind of emeralds are generally sold in the market, but these are actually beryls. Beryls are not emeralds. They look like emeralds. A good quality emerald will come with this kind of certificate. It will be clearly stating that it is from the beryl family, but it is not a beryl. So you have to be sure that it is a proper emerald, properly certified from a proper institute, and then only you should be buying it. A proper emerald will always contain oil in it, but that oil is not a treatment, that is something natural in it, and this kind of certificate should always be there whenever you are buying a proper emerald. So all these things are very important because you are investing your money to get certain astrological results out of these gemstones. And if these gemstones give no astrological results, then it's no point wearing them. It's just a showpiece. Better buy a piece of glass and wear it than spend so much money on buying a treated gemstone. So whenever you have to buy a gemstone, buy it from gemselections.in or from khannagems.com. You will get all the proper qualities there. The gemstone will be properly certified from Government Lab, and you will be getting a GST bill with every purchase that you make. So be sure that you buy a proper thing whenever you buy a gemstone.